Hello, let's learn the letter A. A is for ant. A is for apple. A is for alligator. A is for airplane. A is for artist. A is for astronaut. A is for ape. A is for apartment. A is for ambulance. A is for antelope. A is for anchor. A is for acorn. A is for air balloon. A is for angel. A is for abacus. A is for avocado. A is for albatross. A is for arrow. A is for applause. A is for alarm.